Come test drive the 2017 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, roof rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.